Namaskar, I'm Tanmay from West Bengal, from a very remote village called Belun, where nobody kills any snake, any birds, or any jungle cats. And they have not used chemical pesticides for last 17 years. The full ecosystem is full of life. The paddy field ecosystem, the tree, everything. But why should we save a wild snake like a cobra or crocodile like this one, estuarine crocodile, which can be a potential threat for human life and livelihood? If there is no termite on earth from tomorrow, then there will be no forest and no human beings. How? Have you ever been to this kind of forest? I mean, very old, undisturbed forest, like this one, a subtropical rainforest, we get this kind of trees. So these trees are so huge that sometimes they are 200 feet long and we need at least 10 people to hold it. So when these trees die naturally, they just stay here like this. They occupy the forest floor. If there is no termite or other insects, then this tree will remain in this forest floor for thousands and thousands and thousands of years. Nobody to destroy these. Termites have cellulose digesting bacteria in their intestine. So they can decompose this whole plant within few years and make space for new seedlings. So recreating the sources of food, water, oxygen, medicine again. But if there is animal, there is conflict like this one, a wild snake in middle of the village, how it happens? Sometimes it is because of ignorance, and sometimes people just believe in their inherent right to kill the animals for safety and food. So we never tell the people that, okay, stop killing. We never tell a hunter, okay, stop killing from tomorrow. Because if I say him that, okay, from tomorrow you are not killing anything, then what he will eat from tomorrow? He have not learned anything from his forefathers. For thousands of years, they are just doing that thing. We take a different approach. We tell them what a particular ecological services we get from that animal, from that particular animal. Most of the time in terms of money, because people knows the language of money very well. In my village, nobody kills any snake because we told them that snake eat rats and mice in their paddy field and save the crops. And nobody kills any bats or birds because we told them that bat is a seed dispersal medium. So a bat like this one, fruit bat, can plant up to 100 trees in its lifetime of only 15 years. And those trees become mature. All are fruit trees. We told them the stories about the pipistrelle, a small bat called pipistrelle, which eat almost 1,200 mosquitoes per hour. People saved it. But it was very difficult for us to save jungle cats because jungle cat eat poultry birds. It has just killed one duck from a villager's house. I got it near in the back of his house. So this jungle cat eat poultry birds, which is directly involved with the livelihood. And there was, at that time, there was no bioeconomical study about this jungle cat. So we studied for 3 years inside the field, nights after nights, and the result was spectacular. A jungle cat can save up to 900 rupees of crops by killing rats and mice in the paddy field. And during these 8 months, it kills only 2 poultry birds, which cost around 300 to 400 rupees. So saving a jungle cat means saving 500 rupees in every 8 months. Villagers stopped killing jungle cats. And not only that, sometimes people come from outside to kill these jungle cat, some tribal people, they stop them also. This is a ghorial. Ghorial is a critically endangered crocodile. Only 200 living in the wild. So each and every ghorial is important. Probably will not see it after 25 years or something like that. I rediscovered a whole new population in Lower Ganges. It was another 200. So it was a global boost up of that population. But what was happening? In one village, people were very much afraid of the crocodile there. And they wanted to kill it because they were afraid that these crocodile may eat their babies. We went there, talked with those people. I told them that this gharial is not a man-eater, it's a fish eater. And what happens when it is there, they prefer to eat carnivorous fishes, like different kinds of catfishes. So if gharial is there, they eat the catfish. So the commercial costly fish like hilsa, like prawns, like topse, parse, these kind of commercial costly fish increases. So fishermen get more and more commercial fishes and costly fishes in their fishing net, and their income increases. People realize that fact that, oh my God, this gharial was basking there for 4 months, and in last 2 months, we started getting more and more prawns. So people realized that thing, and then they stopped killing this gharial. So within just few meetings, it happened. Sometimes we work in some pristine forest land like this one. In northeastern India, forest is really, really pristine. It's like a paradise on earth, but heavily hunted. Here we take a different strategy. Here we tell them, we motivate those hunters to become a wildlife guide and to develop a responsible ecotourism there. We tell them, if you kill a bird, then you may get 500-gram meat for the day. But if you save the bird, then you can earn enough money to buy 2 kilos of meat every day by showing the same bird again and again and again to your tourist. So at first they don't trust us. Whenever you go, they don't trust us. But finally they realize, yes, it's happened. It can be done. So they stop that thing. I want to give you 2 examples. One from Ulta Pani. This is from Ulta Pani. It's like Amazon on India. So in Ulta Pani, it was a World Heritage Site once upon a time, and then it became World Heritage Site in danger because during Bodoland movement and insurgency, people there were killing lots of wild animals. They were making money from destroying the forest resources. They have killed almost all rhino. They have killed almost all tigers there and tuskers there. So it was very much painful for us. So a World Heritage Site become a World Heritage Site in danger. Then it's like a golden langur, only 450 living in the wild. So Ulta Pani, you get them. So they are killing these things also. So I started talking with those so-called poachers. Now they are protector of the forest. They're not killing anything. Their only means of income is tourism there. So this is during the training session. And UNESCO last year, it has gained its World Heritage Site status again. And now I want to tell you another story from Ranglum. Ranglum is one of the remotest part of India. It's in northeastern India near Myanmar border. There is no modern facilities. I mean, no electricity, no school, no hospital, no phone, nothing. These people, they're happy. They kill everything. They kill mammal like this. This is one of the rarest porcupine in earth. This is brass-tailed porcupine. It's like only few people have seen it. They kill little bird like this. They kill insect, small mammal to bears and elephants, everything. So here I taken a different strategy. I wanted to build up their pride feeling about their land and about their animal. So I started showing them the pictures I have taken during my field study. They were happy to see these animals. Then it was my same strategy with the same old conservation and tourism-related words. So I poisoned them with all these bad words. And finally, the whole village decided not to kill any wild animals except for Khalis pheasant, barking deer, sunbird deer, and wild boar because they were in plenty. Next time, I'll try to stop them killing female and baby animals. All these forest people and these villagers, they know very well about the wild animal behavior. But what happens, they can't connect their knowledge. I mean, they know very well that insect eat crops, and they know very well that birds eat insect. But they can't connect that saving birds means saving crops. Okay, so I just connect them. And that happens. 60% wild animal live outside the protected area, near our villages, near our cities. So involving all these local people and educating for conservation is really crucial for us. Mother Earth can support only 2.5 billion people, and now we are 7.5 almost. So 5 billion extra people means a huge pressure on this planet with limited resources. So now what we have to do? We have to plan something which we can do sustainable way, and we don't have much time also. Like nowadays, the present rate of extinction is 4 species in every 30 minutes. We don't have time. Let us work together in war basis emergency so that we can live in this planet for another 1,000 years, maybe. That's all. Thanks a lot.